Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Um, we'll just wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then we'll start. Okay, let's start. Um, minute. I'm pressing my screen. Is my screen visible to all?
Yes.
Okay. Hello everyone, good afternoon. We are running this call, a credible community call under Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust. We follow antitrust policies, and all the contributors are welcome here. Mm, so we'll go through the last week's updates, what we are doing, and we'll take up the issues if we have any and queries. So let's start with the updates. Um, I have opened the team plan board. Okay, the sprint is already ended. We have to start the new sprint. But on like in the last week, we were working on the OID for VC issuance related APIs at the platform side. And along with that, we have already started with the verification part. In issuance, there were few things which needs to be fixed regarding issuance of MDOC. So, credential configuration supported by the issuer. So those payloads we have to change. So, and then supporting multiple namespace for the MDOC, that is also we are currently working upon. So yeah, there are few fixes and few improvements we need to do. So that is in progress. Apart from that, we in the Credo controller side, uh, we were supporting tags for verification, but I guess for YD for VP spec, we have to they have eliminated tags, so we need to work on the DCQL part. So that part we are taking up now. So that's like just the start of it. So we have to complete this and then we can maybe start with the verification. So that was it. And Yes, so from Krishna's side, like we have updated the Nest.js version for the platform. So this is also like done or mostly done and closed, I guess. Yes. So this is it, and we were having few issues regarding the DCO commits and all the things. So what we have done, we have added Husky pre-checks to eliminate those issues, so that all the commits should be like signed before it gets committed and pushed to the repository. So this is also like almost done, and merged. This PR is already merged. So that was it, and also like I am currently working on the managing expand and certificates for the tenants on the platform side. So that is still in progress. So not completed yet. So that was at the high level. And we are also planning to have some kind of UI to access the OID for VC related features, for setting up the issuers, and uh, like for issuance we are using the template. So for setting up the templates part, so those UIs like we are planning to have in upcoming weeks. I mean, planning to work on that side. So yeah, this is at the high level. um, Anybody else wants to have like give the updates, specific updates, they can give it now. Then we'll move to the PRs if we uh, want to go through. So do we have any okay, okay, let's move to the just a moment. I'll switch my screen share. Okay. So, and the platform side, like I don't know whether Aryan has joined or not, but we he has fixed few of the things related to unit testing. So we need to merge this PR as soon as possible. So I just wanted to check with him. Okay, Krishna and Tipu is assigned. So we are planning to merge this PR into main. Apart from that, like YD for VC issuance related PRs are there, so that is internal. I like we can check it internally. Mm, okay, so I don't think so. We have any PRs here. Let's go to the studio. Okay, so basically on studio side, the currently few of the app launcher related configuration modifications we have updated. So that is like I think that is merged. I'm not sure why this is open. This we have to check. Okay. Uh, this is maybe in the initial stage. Apart from that, a few of the SSO related UI features we have provided, so that user can see like how many sessions are currently running uh, for particular user or a organization, and as well as user can delete or maybe yeah, user can delete the sessions if like for a security reason, if user wants to delete all the sessions apart from the current session, so user can delete those sessions from UI. So those features we have like worked upon and merged to the studio side. Maybe Rohit, can we have like some plan to show that thing in maybe next call, not today. But if today everything is ready, we can see at least.
Maybe we can take in next call with the uh, web plan means uh, how it is working, and how we can use that part with the
Hmm.
documentation way. All.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, apart from that, is there anything else which I missed to update from studio side? Uh, Rohit, is there anything else which I missed, or else we can move to the next repository? And one more thing, like I am going to remove. Let me show it up. In like agent side, we have the Genesis settings for sovereign staging net, credible test Genesis, and Indicia. So mostly these two we are like I don't think so. Like uh, we are using it in the repository, and sovereign is also like yeah, I mean it's no more. So we will remove these things from the ENB to avoid the confusion. So this two will be removed, and for Indicia testnet and bcovrin testnet, I checked. I think we are not using it, so I think we should remove all of this unless required. As of now, I don't see we use it anywhere. So we'll keep it. We'll have one PR to remove these things from environment variables. So I just wanted to update the team that we are going to remove this.
Yeah, Wrinkle, I think we can remove
Hmm.
the details of those networks which are not operational
Hmm.
and the ones
Yes.
which we are not using. Yeah.
Uh, yeah. Apart from that, so on controller side, mainly our work is like going on in alignment with the OID for VC and VP. So that's what we have at controller side. Um, okay. Um, so. Um, yeah, I guess this is all from update side. Anybody wants to have any queries or questions or any topic to be discussed, we can do it now.
Um, Question we might want to discuss um, the certificate management angle, like certificate management. How do
Uh,
we
your
utilize that
voice is very
verifier
low,
since
sir.
in one ecosystem will be
Is it for me or everyone?
No, we cannot hear.
Hmm.
Again, your voice is too low. We cannot
Same
hear
for
you.
me.
Okay, you can continue. I'll switch to headphones in the meantime.
Okay. So, like, anybody else wants to update anything?
Hello.
So, I guess Ajay was saying that expand and management part. So, basically, to issue like just for the team to understand. Uh, So in case of implementation of OID for VC, we have different types of VC formats, right? MDoc, SDJOT, JOT VC. So in there generally we till now we were using the did methods for issuance, but with the new features, we can have option to issue the credential using expired and certificates. So as of now, for Credible, we are going to have that support for SDJOT and MDoc. So, and in case of MDoc, the it's compulsory to use expired and certificates there to issue the credential. So, credential will be signed using the expired and certificate. Um, I'll just open if I can have some of the examples. Mm, um, okay, or else I guess have support for MDoc. So there we have to use the expand and certificate. Um, and in case of SDJOT, we have two options: either to use expand and certificate, or we can use the did method. So here, if I go to credential offer, and if I see this, the types. So here, okay, in credential. So let's say if we have SDJOT, um, where is the signer option? Just a minute. Yeah, so we have two signer options, did and XYZ. So did we already know, and that did management we have already in the credible. But for expire and certificates, we have to uh, store some of the certificates at the platform level, okay, before issuing the credential. So what happens generally, the in case of expire, what is this certificates? So these certificates are same as we have the certificates for any website. If we go to any website and if we see, let's say, just a minute. So let's say if we have if this connection is secure, every site is secured with the certificate. So this is the public certificates we can see here, right? So the similar way we will have the certificates in the platform. So there are some authorities who creates this certificate and issues to the organizations. So the certificate which is used to issue the credential, that we will call it as leave certificate generally, and the higher authority is the root CA, and in between the issuer of the leave certificate is called as intermediate CA. So this way the hierarchy of certificate is generally in real case we have this hierarchy. So in Credible platform, we will have some mechanism to create the certificates, because for testing and development we don't have the real certificates. So in that case, we can have the certificates generated somewhere, or like locally, or maybe we can generate it from the platform itself. We can call it as a self-signed certificate, and we'll store it in the for the organization level. um, uh, yeah, in the organization level we will store those certificates, and we can use it further for the issuance. So we will have two options: either we can create a self-signed certificate, or we can import the certificate from externally. So in production we should have uh, that capability to not use the self-signed, rather it should be the valid certificate issued by authorized root CA or intermediate CAs. So um, we'll um, we'll have to have that X59 certificate management feature in the platform. So that was that in I am working on that part, but from UI also we'll have to sorry, we will have to give the feature to create the certificates and import the certificates on the platform side. So this is what whatever I explained. Do we have any doubts in that? Like, what is the expansion certificate? Mm.
So we will have to figure out a way to manage this certificate at basically at a org level. First thing that any issuer uh, should be able to either import or create self-signed certificate on its own. And at an ecosystem level, um, the how do we distribute the intermediate CAs or the root CAs to in a directory, so that for issuers it is easier to check the validity of the certificates, because that when the issuer receives the credential, they will see the issuer's signature there. So that
Mm.
also we need to, at an ecosystem level, we need to figure out. Uh, we can discuss ideas like as to
Mm.
how that would be done.
Yes. So, like whenever we will import leave certificate, we'll derive the root and intermediate CAs, right? In that case, and we'll check the signatures.
Yeah, that's
Mm. Um, yes. So, uh, okay. Anybody else having any doubts? Mm, okay. Maybe by next call, we'll have some APIs ready for this to show what work we have done. So we can take the inputs. Um,
sure.
so that was all regarding this updates and all. Um, One more point, we wanted to discuss. I was talking to Ankita, and we observed that this can we change the call timing for this community call, so that like few of the our mentees and other members are not able to join this call due to office hours and their college timing.
Is there any suggestion on like what should be the time?
Um, maybe end of the day. Like,
I think
is
maybe evening time will be more good.
or in the evening, after 7 or before 7, or maybe 7:30.
Maybe 6 o'clock,
6
7:30,
o'clock.
6 to 7, or we can have after 7:30 as well. While connecting with mentees and other people in the community as well.
Your voice is very low, Ankita.
Just give me. Am I audible now?
Yes, now it's better.
So it is observed that there are few people who are willing to join and who have contributed and raised PRs as well to our the code base few of the repositories, but they are not able to join this call because of the colliding with other timings.
Hmm.
Call is
So,
started.
like, like, we need to check what is the suitable time then in the evening. So, do you think 6 is okay for them? I mean, for others as well. So,
Yeah, I think between 6 to 7. Uh,
Mm,
okay.
6 to 7 is fine.
okay. Um,
What about the others? We can have some
yeah.
suggestions.
I think 6 to 7 should be okay on the same day, right?
Yes, this day is fine.
Okay.
Wednesday.
Hmm.
Yeah. Uh, so will it also impact the other geographies, other time zones? We'll have to check. Like,
Yeah, actually, the east part of it, like east,
mhm.
they, that time will not suit. But anyway, we are not the contribution from that.
You are not audible again, Ankita.
There is my audio. Sorry for that. So we are not seeing much contribution on the code base side from that those geographies as of now. So if we'll have some request or some interaction with the those geographies, so we can think of two calls as well. One which will cover the west part and one which will cover the east part. But as of now, we are seeing more people contributing to our region only. This is my observation as for last call that we had, like the last webinar that we had, right? For Credible and as well as the code contribution from the repositories.
Okay. Yes, then 6 is fine.
We can have the community as well about if we are going to change the time, we have to need some communication within the community. Right?
Hmm. Okay, all right. We'll check with LFDT team then to update the timings. Yeah. Okay. And we'll update the in the Discord group too for updated timings.
Yes.
Okay. I guess that's what we have. Tipu, Krishna, maybe you want to update anything then on the Menti side. So,
Yeah. So we had a uh, call with Menti just before this call. So like he wrote the test cases for issuance, but he's not taking response from the function. Like he's only validating the input parameters. So we have suggested like what we want to achieve. So today he'll write one sample like uh, flow for issuance, and we'll validate that. So basically, issuance part is not completed. So we are still writing test cases for issuance.
okay. Okay. Yes. Um, just check with him that is he available for this community call around 6 o'clock. I mean, just yeah, for the next week. So, if the timing is okay with him.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, everyone. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you in the next call. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.